What is genetic discrimination in insurance and jobs? Imagine a world where your genes could decide your future, not just your health or skills. It might sound like science fiction, but it's a real concern in today's society. Genetic discrimination happens when people are treated unfairly because of their genetic information. This can mean being denied health insurance, paying higher premiums, or even missing out on job opportunities. It's a tricky issue because our genes hold clues about our health and how we've adapted over thousands of years. In health insurance, if someone has a gene mutation linked to a higher risk of diseases like cancer or heart problems, insurers might refuse coverage or charge more. For example, if a person has a gene that increases their chance of developing Alzheimer's disease, an insurer could decide not to cover them or set a higher premium. This can happen even if the person is currently healthy and shows no symptoms. It's like judging someone based on what they might become, not what they are now. The same thing can happen in the workplace. Employers might avoid hiring someone if they know that person has a genetic predisposition to certain illnesses. For instance, if an applicant has a gene linked to a chronic condition, an employer might think it will lead to more sick days or higher healthcare costs. While laws like the Genetic Information Non-Discrimination Act in the United States try to prevent this, gaps still exist. Employers are generally not allowed to ask for genetic tests or use genetic data in decisions, but sometimes they do anyway. From an anthropological point of view, genetic differences among humans come from adaptations to different environments over thousands of years. These differences are part of what makes human diversity fascinating. But when genetic traits are used to judge or discriminate against people, it shows how social attitudes can distort biological facts. It's important to remember that everyone's genes are part of a complex story of human evolution and adaptation. Understanding genetic discrimination helps us see why protecting genetic privacy is so important. It encourages fair treatment and supports ethical research. It also reminds us that our genetic makeup is just one part of who we are, and it shouldn't be used to unfairly limit opportunities or access. As science advances, it's vital to create rules that respect human diversity and prevent discrimination based on our genes.